I've got a bit of a holiday project to do at my house. And I went to Hello Hello Plants and I got a really good garden design for free. Because I spent over $500, I got this weeping cherry for free. And because I spent over $300, I even got free delivery. With free garden design, free weeping cherry and free delivery, you've got to come down to Hello Hello Plants. And I got to choose from an enormous range.
It's the biggest range in this sector of the universe. Free garden design, free delivery, and a free weeping cherry. Hello Hello is only 2.4 million light years away. Let's go.